Let me ask you a question. What if I told you that in the next few years, the most powerful skill in the workplace will not be coding, not an MBA, and not even technical expertise? Instead, it will be something much simpler, the ability to ask the right questions to AI. Yes, the professionals who learn the skill will become 10 times more productive, while those who ignore it may struggle to stay relevant. So today, we are going to talk about the AI skill that can make you almost irreplaceable in the workplace. Artificial intelligence is already transforming how work gets done. Today, AI can write emails, analyze data, create presentations, summarize meetings, even suggest business strategies. Tools like ChatGPT and other generative AI systems can perform tasks in seconds that used to take employees hours. Naturally, this has created a lot of fear. People are asking questions like, will AI replace jobs or will professionals become irrelevant? But here is the truth. AI will not replace most professionals. However, professionals who know how to use AI effectively will replace those who don't. And the most important skill for using AI effectively is something called prompt engineering. So what exactly is this powerful skill? It is the ability to communicate clearly and intelligently with AI systems. In simple words, prompt engineering. A prompt is simply the instruction you give to an AI tool. But here's the interesting part. The quality of the AI's output depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. If your prompt is weak, the answer will be weak. If your prompt is clear and structured, the answer will be powerful. Let me give you a simple example. Imagine you ask an AI tool this, write an email. The AI will give you a very generic email. But now imagine you ask, write a professional email to a client explaining a one-day delay in project delivery. The tone should be polite and reassuring. Now, the result will be far better and more useful. The difference is not the AI, the difference is the prompt. This is why professionals who master prompting can get far more valuable from AI tools than others. There are three reasons why prompt engineering is becoming such a powerful skill. First, productivity. People who use AI effectively can complete tasks much faster. A report that normally takes 2 hours might take only 15 minutes. Second, better decision making. AI can analyze information quickly, but it needs the right instructions. Professionals who ask the right questions get better insights. Third, competitive advantage. In every organization, some employees will learn to work with AI faster than others. Those employees will naturally become more valuable to the organizations. So, how can you actually develop this AI skill? Here are 3 simple habits. First, learn to ask better questions. Instead of giving vague instructions to AI, try to be specific. Mention the context, the goal, and the tone. For example, instead of saying create a presentation, say create a 5-slide presentation explaining the benefits of AI in workplace productivity for managers. Second, experiment with AI tools regularly. Use AI to help with writing, research, brainstorming ideas, and summarizing information. The more you practice, the better your prompts become. Third, combine AI with human thinking. Remember, AI is powerful, but it still lacks human judgment, creativity, and emotional intelligence. The best professionals will be those who can combine AI efficiency with human insights. The future workplace will not be divided into people who use AI and people who don't. Instead, it will be divided into people who use AI strategically and people who use it poorly. The professionals who understand how to guide AI, question AI, and refine AI outputs will become incredibly valuable because, in the end, AI is a tool, and tools become powerful only in the hands of people who know how to use them. So remember this one idea: AI will not replace professionals, but professionals who know how to work with AI will replace those who don't. If you want to stay relevant in the age of artificial intelligence, start learning how to think with AI, not compete with it. And if you want more insights on careers, management skills, and the future of work, subscribe to MBA to Boardroom, because the journey from MBA to the boardroom is not just about degrees anymore. It's about skills that shape the future.